Hey guys, welcome to Free Tutorial TV and Python tutorial for beginner. In the last video I have shown you how you can install and manage your packages using Python PIP. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and manage your PIP packages using PyCharm. So here I have a very simple OpenCV Python script, which I use to load this image, which is Python logo.png file. Now in order to run this script I need to import this package, which is called cv2, and this package is available on Python package index. So let me open the website ppi.org and let me search for OpenCV here. And when I search for OpenCV you will be able to see multiple OpenCV related packages, but the one I want to install is this one, which is OpenCV-Python. So I'm going to click on this package to see more details about this package. So you can see the latest version of this package at the time of making this video is 3.4.3.18. And in order to install this package with pip, you just need to run this command, which is pip install OpenCV-Python. Now in order to import this OpenCV-Python on your PyCharm, what you need to do is just create your project and write your code, and then go to the file and then go do the settings. So just choose the settings option here, and once the settings option is open, you will be able to see different categories here. You need to choose this category where it says project : in the name of your project, and then click on the project interpreter. Now by default some packages are already available here, which is pip and setup tools, and we want to install our special package, which is OpenCV-Python. So in order to add this package you just need to click on this plus button. So I'm going to click on this plus button, and you will be able to see this search bar here. So here you just need to search for the package you are looking for. So I have just entered OpenCV-Python here, and the first option which is available here, I have just selected it, and you can see this is the same package which we have seen on the Python package index website. So let's match this once again. So here you can see the latest version 3.4 by 3.18, and here also the latest version is the same. And the description is also same, so wrapper package for OpenCV Python bindings. And here also the description is the same. So this is the package we want to install. If you want to see GitHub repository also, I'm going to just scroll here and then I'm going to open the GitHub page from the PyPI website for this OpenC.v-Python, and this GitHub URL is also same which we are seeing on PyCharm IDE. So now we know that we need to install this package, which is OpenCV-Python. So we just need to click on this button that says install package, which is going to install this package for your project. And after some time you will be able to see this message which says package OpenCV-Python installed it successfully. So I'm going to just close this window, and after closing this window you will be able to see that this OpenCV is now visible in your project interpreter. And now we are going to click once again OK. And once you click OK, you will be able to see here at the bottom some processes are running, which is the process of importing this library into your project. And after some time you will see that this red squiggly line for the error has disappeared from the import CV line. So now we will be able to run this code. So let's run this code and let's verify if everything is working fine. So I'm going to just right click and then click on run the project name on the file name, and it has opened the picture which I want to open, which is the Python logo picture. So this is all you can install and manage your pip packages using PyCharm IDE. I hope you have learned something new this time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Have a nice day. See you in next video.